Morning students. Now we will continue the chapter linear inequality, and we did till exercise 6.3. Now we will see some examples of the miscellaneous one. So look at some more interesting example. Example number 16. These are miscellaneous one. These are the miscellaneous examples. Question says solve. This is some that same kind but different aspect. Look at minus 8 less than or equal 5x minus 3 less than 7. This is example number 16. Example number 17 I also write here. This is a minus 5 minus 3x upon 2, 8. Now, till now we have done lots of questions of this kind and we solved all the problems in inequality. We got a simple inequality in x and we can simply find the solution on graphically or on a number line. This is the mixing of the two questions actually. This is a combination of two questions. This is first question and this is second question. So just let it be same. Don't take separate, but solve completely. So I tell you one by one that how we can solve. In middle you can see the x, the term x. So try to make alone the x in the middle. How we can make alone x in the middle? We will actually the number or constant are with them, we definitely remove from there. Like it is a 3 minus 3. So definitely we will transfer to minus 3 in both of the way. Like I tell you one thing. Two languages we can use. First, it is a minus 3. You can understand that. How can minus 3 be eliminated when 3 will be added? So we can write 3 will be added in all the parts. Like 3 minus 8 plus 3, 5x minus 3 plus 3, 7 plus 3. So one can simply understand what to do. Minus 8 plus 3. Simply you can transfer also. Very same meaning. Here only 5x remaining. And here it is 7 plus 3. So you can understand by two ways. You can also say understand by yourself that it is a minus 3. It transferred this side. It is a plus 3. Minus it transferred this side. It's going to be plus 3. This is the first way. Or second way, you can understand that after adding 3 in all the parts, left, middle and right, you will obtain this term. What will happen next? This is going to be minus 5, this is going to be 5 and this is going to be 10. Now x is in 5 is in multiplication to x. You have to remove the 5 because you want to make alone x in the middle. So you have to divide by 5 in all the terms so that 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So if it is in multiplication, you have to divide so that 5 can be cancelled or 5 can be removed. So you divide by 5 in all the way. You can say that you transferred to 5. It was in division, now it was in multiplication, now came in division. Now 5 and 5 cancel, x and this is 2. And you have got the answer. Your x is in middle, minus 1 to 2. Now you can represent the answer in the, suppose it is minus infinity, it is a plus infinity, no matter at all, it is a minus 1 and 2. This is equal to sign, so it is a bold one, it is an open one, and you can combine like that. This is a dark bubble, open bubble. It means that it includes, it excludes, and your x lying between minus 1 and 2. So that's an answer. You can also drop your answer here. Or you can speak your answer x belongs to minus 1 to 2. Here it is close bracket, it is open bracket. So all I have taught you early in the classes. Okay. Now look at this question. This is very similar. You have x here. You want to definitely you have to make it alone. So that slowly and one by one we will remove all the constant which is with them either in multiplication or division or in addition or in subtraction. So okay. First I will remove 2 which is in division. So multiply 2 in all the terms. You will get minus 5 into 2. Here it is same. 2 will be removed and 8 into 2. Now you got 10 5 minus 3x and 60. Now what to do? You will definitely remove 5 from here, 5 from here. So it is in plus 5. You have to subtract 5 minus, like, or you can transfer to 5 both the side. You will get same. Meaning it's a 15. It is minus 3x. It is a 11. Now minus sign is actually problem. In the case of inequality, minus sign keeps very important place itself. So whenever you want to remove the minus sign, you have to multiply by minus sign in all the terms. So it is not simply, it can be not simply transferred, like minus will transfer here, it's going to be plus. Please don't do this. In case of inequality, you will write multiply by minus sign, multiply by minus sign. You know it's going to be 15, but sign will change. This is 3x, this is minus, going to be plus, and the sign changed. So please keep remember the sign change itself. Sign. Here it's a plus, it is minus, but sign change. And now you can find your answer by writing in very simple way. First I want to write 11 less than sign 3x less than sign 15. I just have written in well manner. Now 3, it's in multiplication, it's transferred in division. So 11 by 3, or you have to divide by 3. Both word you can use. 3 5s are 50. So this is the answer. Your answer is lying between minus 11 by 3 to 5. You can write in this way, or you can express your answer in this way. So it's on you only. So from my side only I have expressed. So keep remember this, the question. So way of questions very easy. The solutions also very easy. Now I'll go on example number 19. It's a word problem. Look at it. In an experiment, a solution of a hydrochloric acid to be kept between the 30% and 35% degree Celsius. What is the range of temperature in the degree Fahrenheit when the conversion formula is given? C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. Let me express something. Let me explain something, that this is none else but it is a simple formula which tells the relation between the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. It's very genuine formula. You know, you have read already in class 9th or class 10th in science. So whatever we are given the two temperature. Your temperature lies between, it's given that the temperature in degree Celsius is given between 30 and 35. 30 and 35. This is not from my side. I tell you that it is given in a book. The 30 degree and 35 degree. This is the two temperatures, and your temperature, degree temperature, is lying between 30 and 35 degrees Celsius. And you want to find the range of the Fahrenheit when the formula is given this one. So what you will do, student, it is the degree Celsius range is given. You only put C is equal to this one, 5 by 9 F minus 32 and 35. Nothing special. It's very common. Now question gonna change as same which I did in the last board. Two questions I did here. What to do? You will first remove 9, which is in division. You will definitely move in a multiplication. 30 into 9. 5 into F minus 32 and 35 into 9. That's it. Now you will divide to 5. It's a multiplication. So definitely 30 into 9 upon 5. F minus 32 remaining same. 35 into 9 upon 5. Now 5 6 are 30 and 6 9s are 54. This is F minus 32 and 5 7s are and 7 9s are 63. Now you remove the 32 from here so that F will be alone in the middle. So it is in a subtraction. Transfer as a in addition. So your answer is like that. Now these two will be 86. This is F, and these two will be 95. So your Fahrenheit temperature lies between 86 to 95. This is a simple way. When the range of the degree Celsius was given and C equal to this was given, you can simply put instead of C is equal to that and can get easy the range of the Fahrenheit. And this was asked. We have done. Okay. Now the next question is again very important question as far as the exam is concerned. Let me tell you. This is very important question. Example number 22. Now read the question properly. A manufacturer has 600 liters of 12% solution of acid. Okay. How many? Try to make a picture. Suppose this is a pot, and in it 600 liter 12% solution of acid. You can understand that suppose 600 liter, it is containing 600 liter any solution, but we want to know the content of the acid. Suppose this letter contains the acid and quantity of the acid is 12% of 600 liter. It is given. You know, 600 liter of 12% of acid solution. So we can understand that suppose it is 600 liter. It's you know that it is a acid solution, but acid content is what? Acid content is what? 12% of 600. This is 12% of 600 is acid content, and this is total solution. Total solution. So we have to focus that this acid we can't see, but we have to understand that this is a whole 600 liters of solution, and in it what acid content is 12% of whole. Okay. Now question is, how many liter of 30% acid solution? Look at read very specifically and with the concentration that how many liter of 30% acid solution must be added, meaning some solution. Suppose X liter. Suppose X liter solution is adding in this solution, but this is not an ordinary solution. It is having 30% of acid, meaning if you just want to say that when we mix X liter in it, two things will change. What will change? Definitely it is a X liter, it is a solution. So total solution will be 600 plus X. But when you will focus on that, what is acid content? Total acid content will be, it is 30% acid, meaning in it, I just want to make the pot little large, and I say that if X liter will contain in this pot, X liter will contain in this pot, this is not an ordinary solution. This X liter containing what acid content? 30% acid content, meaning when it will be added in that, the total mixture will be X plus 600, but total acid content will be 30% of X. You should understand, we have to focus on two things: total number of solution in liter, and definitely in that what is acid content. So in previous 1200 plus 12% of 600 was acid content. When X liter solution was mixed or added in the previous one, the solutions will increase by X plus 600. But acid content will also increase by 30% of X, because this was not the simple solution, it was not an ordinary solution. This solution also containing 30% of that X as an acid content. That's why acid will acid will change by this, and the solution will change by this. So this is from my side as per the question. But question says how many liter 30% acid solution must be added? We have considered X, so that total acid content in the resulting mixture X plus 600 will be more than 15% and less than 30%. Meaning now we have given the range of the acid content, which is we have this one, but according to the resulting mixture, it is given that it is between 15% and 18%, meaning more than 15% and less than 18. What is 15%? What is 15%? 15% is the acid content of resulting mixture. And what is the resulting mixture? X plus 600. Meaning as per question, resulting mixture is X plus 600. Its 15% is a acid content, and our resulting content, whatever we have already got the got the, and it is 18%. So now question based on acid content. Question says whatever the acid content you have got, this will be between or more than 15% and less than 18%. What is 15%? It is not a 15% ordinary language. It is very important that 15% acid content of resulting mixture. So what is resulting mixture? X plus 600. This is acid content, this is acid content, and our obtained resulting acid content will be lying between these two, more than 15% and less than 18%. This is what will come here. This is the way, which is already we have got the acid content in our mixture. This is lying between 15% acid content and 18% acid content. So this is very important question. Now I'll write here, let X liter of acid content. First I want to write the given thing that we have 600 liter of acid and 12% of 600 is solution, and solution 12% is acid content. This is acid and this is solution. Let 30% of X liter is added. So according to question, I want to write directly the answer, whatever we have got, because this is a rough structure and we have made it already. So according to question, our obtained acid content will lie between 15% and 18%. So I'll write here 15% of X plus 600, and whatever we got, the obtained acid content was the 12% of 600 plus 30% of X. This is from the question. Initially 12% of 600 acid content was there. We added 30% of the X liter solution in it. So total acid content was this one. And according to question, this acid content lying between 15% and 18%. So I don't think it's a tough one, students. This is the question. Now I will only solve this from my side and will find the value of X. So how we can find the value of X? Look at it. First I want to write this 15 by 100, X plus 600, 12 by 100 of 600, 30 by 100 into X, and 18 by 100 into X plus 600. Now 100, 100, 100. We multiply by 100 in all the way, so 100 will cancel. So it's a 15 X plus 600. This is 12 into 600 plus 30 into X, 18 into X plus 600. What we'll do now? We'll simplify a bit. It's a 15 and it is in plus something like that. Okay, we try to make it easy. We multiply 15 into X plus 600. It is 7200 plus 30X, and it is 18 into X plus 600. Now I want to take these two initially because X is also here, X is also here, X is also here. It's very tough to take all the things together because initially 2 or 3 questions whatever we made, we actually operate the things together, but it is very tough because X unknown variable is lying in all the sides. So that we will take first these two. Students, after it we'll take 15. First 2 parts we will take here. This is 15 into X plus 600 less than 72, 100 plus 30X. Now we will find the value of X. Very simple now. We divide by 15 in all the way. We'll divide by 15 all the way. X plus 600. This is 7200 plus 30x upon 15 transferred. And you can understand that when I'll take out 15 common, 15 and 15 cancel. What will remain here? 15 4 just 60, 15 8s are, and 2x. What I have done? Take out 15 common and cancel. So 50, after taking 15 common, here 15 4 just 60, 15 8s are 128, 15 0 0, and 2x will be there. Now we can find very easily 600 minus 480, and this is 2x minus x will be x. So your answer is 120 less than x. This is very first inequality we have got after taking first two. Now I'll take the latter one, 7200 plus 30x less than 18 into x plus 600. What will be done? We'll try to simplify that. Multiply to x, 18 in the bracket. This is 18 6 108. Now it is 30x minus 18x, transfer here, and 108 00 minus 7200. Now we have 3600 and this 2 will be, and whole answer will be 12 3s are, and it is the second inequality. So nothing special now, it's a first and second. Now we will actually combine, it by 1 and 2. One can simply understand by 1 and 2 it is 120 less than x, and x is already here, x less than 300. So that you have got that the whatever you added added a solution will lie between 120 to 300 when this condition is given. So according to condition, your x is between 120 and 300 liters. So this is the question. The way of question already explained. Now the mistakes exercise is on you only. Those questions will be definitely tough. You can WhatsApp me. I will tell you the solution. So that now from the next lecture we'll start the new chapter. Thank you.